What's the meaning of activity? Activity. 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 Activity refers to the state or quality of being actively engaged in a particular task or pursuit. It is characterized by movement, action, and energy expenditure. Engaging in physical activity has many positive effects on health, such as improving cardiovascular function, maintaining healthy body composition, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, enhancing cognitive function, and promoting emotional well-being. Therefore, incorporating regular physical activity into one's daily routine can lead to improved overall health and quality of life. Additionally, engaging in productive and purposeful activities can also bring a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction to one's life.